Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add opening balance in Zoho Books, because if you are migrating to Zoho Books, you need to update this, okay? So come here at the top right first, click on settings, and then here under organization, I want you to click on opening balances. Now, you need to choose the migration date first. Now, this is the date on which you generated basically the trial balance report on your previous accounting system or software before you're migrating to Zoho Books. So go ahead and choose this date. Let's say for me, it was the 4th of May in 2025. Okay. Now, accounts receivable and accounts payable. If you have an existing, file or of data, you can go ahead and import this. Let me show you with a sample right here. I'm going to drag and drop a CSV file. Okay. Make sure you choose the correct character encoding. The default one is usually this one right here, UTF-8. This is Unicode. You can go ahead and click on next. Okay. And now you can check everything. Make sure everything is okay. Right. So there we go. All right. Now we can click on next. And we have balances that are ready to be imported. You can view all the details, right? And then click on import. And there we go. We'll see what has been imported. We have expenses and income as well. There we go. These are what have been imported. So we can come back here to opening balances now and check this out. So there we go. That is our opening balance with the migration date. Now, if you want to manually input this, you can come here, click on edit. And now when we scroll down, we have sections for assets. Okay, you can just type it in. So let's say you had an advanced tax or a petty cash, right? You can go ahead and add this right here. So let's say of 2,500 pounds. If you had any furniture or equipment, say worth 5,000 pounds. If you had any expenses that you were yet to pay, maybe let's say credit card charges, 500 pounds, right? Lodging, go ahead and add that. Anything you want to go ahead and add, you can do that. For your bank liability, everything here can be added. Okay, and once you're done, you can go ahead and see what the adjustment would look like. Okay, and then just go ahead and click on continue. So make sure, guys, when you're doing this, it needs to balance. So the way the trial balance works, the debit and credit side balances, right? So in this case, I need to add another 10,000 pounds to the credit side. Let me go ahead and do that. All right, there we go. It balances now. I've added it right here, cost of goods sold. And now what we can do is click on continue and it should work. You'll see all your opening balances. Go ahead and confirm this. Now make sure you do this according to your trial balance. Go ahead and click on OK. And we are done. And it was really that easy and simple.